Hey guys, it's Deandra with Vive Health, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Vive foot massager. To power on your foot massager, first, plug the power cord into an outlet. Once you've done that, 3 blue lights will illuminate on the foot massager, and that's how you'll know it's ready to use. These lights will continue to illuminate as long as the device is plugged in. Now, place both feet into the foot massager. To start the massager at the lowest levels of heat and intensity, press the power button. You'll see 2 blue lights appear above the mode and heat buttons. The massager will run for 15 minutes before automatically shutting off. To adjust the intensity level from low to medium, press the mode button. To change it from medium to high, press the mode button again. To change the heat level from low to high, press the heat button. To turn the heat off, press the heat button again. Using the foot massager is simple and easy. The massager comes with an auto timer, which will power off the device after 15 minutes of use. Thanks for watching the video. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos.